Mr. Weeks. Oh, thank you for helping.
You said you bring help, sweetie. You want to try it too? As soon as this is done, are you all done? You're all done.
Good job.